Kyphoplasty procedure. At Pain and Spine Specialists, your well-being is our priority. Our board-certified medical experts are dedicated to providing compassionate and professional care. Through advanced treatments like kyphoplasty, we address issues such as leg pain, discomfort, swelling, and restricted mobility. Kyphoplasty is a minimally invasive procedure designed to treat vertebral compression fractures, often caused by conditions like osteoporosis, trauma, or cancer. This procedure involves the insertion of a small balloon into the fractured vertebra, which is then gently inflated to restore the bone's height. This procedure involves the insertion of a small balloon into the fractured vertebra, which is then gently inflated to restore the bone's height. Once the bone is repositioned, a special medical-grade cement is injected to stabilize and strengthen the vertebra, alleviating pain and preventing further collapse. Kyphoplasty's goal is to reduce pain and improve mobility, allowing patients to return to daily activities with greater ease. It is a safe and effective option for those seeking relief from severe back pain and spinal deformities caused by vertebral fractures. Contact Pain and Spine Specialists today.